Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our AI Learning Pod. We're excited to guide you through the fascinating world of artificial intelligence.
Hi there. Today, we'll show you how AI can help us communicate, learn, and even create amazing new things.
Imagine this. You're learning a new language, and your virtual assistant can speak to you naturally with a friendly tone, just like a real teacher.
That's right. AI can generate speech, understand your questions, and even respond with emotion. For example, if you ask, "What's the weather today?" the AI can answer in a warm, natural voice.
And it's not just voice. AI can help in many areas: text analysis, image recognition, recommendations, and even music composition.
Let's try a quick example. Imagine you want to create a podcast. With AI, you can write your script, generate natural-sounding voices from multiple hosts, and even add background music automatically.
Amazing, right? You can even choose different tones: friendly, calm, excited, or serious. And the AI can keep the conversation flowing smoothly.
Now, a small challenge for you, our listeners. Think of a question you would ask a virtual assistant about your daily life. Maybe it's about the weather, a recipe, or even a fun fact. How would you like the AI to respond?
Here's another cool thing. AI can help students practice English, giving instant feedback on pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. You can have a conversation, and the AI will adjust the difficulty to your level.
And for creators, AI opens a world of possibilities. Podcasts, audiobooks, voiceovers, virtual assistants, and interactive storytelling. You can bring your ideas to life without needing a professional studio.
Let's recap. Today we learned that AI speech can speak in natural, expressive voices, understand context and emotions, help with learning, creativity, and communication.
And don't forget, AI is a tool. It's here to assist you, not replace you. The more you experiment, the better you understand its potential.
Ready to explore? Start by writing a small script, pick two voices, and let the AI bring your conversation to life.
That's our tip for today. Thanks for joining us on the AI Learning Pod. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with AI.
Until next time, goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.